Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to customize the control center on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So this is the control center on the PlayStation 5. You bring this up by pressing the PlayStation button, and then you have access to all these different options. Now, you can easily customize the control center and switch all these little icons around or hide some of these icons by pressing the options button when you open this up. Then you can see your hidden controls. Now for me, I had a few hidden controls under here like voice, and I believe accessibilities was hidden as well. But if you simply go over the icon and press X on it, you can move this around. So I can move the game base all the way to the left, and I can move the notifications over here. Then I can also bring up voice from the bottom. So if I select this, it's under the hidden controls. I can bring this up to the top. And I can do the same thing with network and my accessibilities. So I can bring these all up top here and move these around. So sometimes, like the PlayStation VR, this will be hidden until you plug it in. And I believe downloads/uploads is always visible now. So if you have one icon you want to move around, it's very easy to do that, but this is how you would go ahead and customize it. You can set the position, or you can reset to default on the bottom left. So go ahead and just view that and see where you want everything located. Ideally, I would want my game base to the left, just because when I bring this up, it's usually right near the left side. It's a little bit quicker to get to that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.